Man caught red-handed smoking weed in virtual courtroom. Who would do that?
Next, we're in district court in Ann Arbor, Michigan.
That ain't him.
36-year-old Anthony Lane is before Judge Cedric Simpson for a virtual conference.
That's his brother. Close enough. But that judge up there, I can't stand him or his brother.
Man, hold on. Let me look up this judge for y'all real quick so y'all can see what we talking about. There we go.
See that bald head motherfucker? You see him.
Bro.
That's his brother. Oh. Go back. Let's play the video so they can compare.
Next,
that's the brother.
In Ann Arbor, Michigan. 36-year-old Anthony Lane is before Judge Cedric Simpson for a virtual conference.
Okay, she's saying this man looks like
they could be related.
That's
his brother.
There we go.
Oh, shit.
What y'all think?
Yeah. Y'all see it.
6 months earlier, Lane was charged with 1 count of possessing methamphetamine or ecstasy and 1 count of possessing a narcotic, cocaine, or heroin.
He looks crazy.
Today, Lane is requesting to waive his right to a probable cause hearing and have his case sent straight to circuit court.
Mr. Lane, please state your name for the court.
Flamers, flame up.
Anthony Lane.
Good morning, sir.
How you doing?
A waiver for continued plea negotiations and resolution in circuit.
You understand you'll not have that hearing and you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution?
Yes, sir.
Everything seems to be going as planned until the judge asked the prosecutor if he also agrees to waive the probable cause hearing.
People also waive their right?
Your Honor, I'll agree to waive, but I do want to make a statement on the record. It appeared that earlier in this time block that Mr. Lane was rolling a blunt, and
look at his face.
I have been smoking.
Earlier that day, while Lane waited in the virtual courtroom, he decided to have a smoke.
He's so damn stupid.
Another defendant waiting
He
for the
was
judge
burling
did
that
a
bitch.
double take when he noticed what Lane was up to. While recreational marijuana use is legal in Michigan, Lane is out on bond and strictly prohibited from taking any drugs or controlled substances.
He burling that, yeah.
Lane looked cautiously out the vehicle's window, but paid no attention to the phone in front of him that was broadcasting what he was doing, not only on the internet, but directly to the court.
Dumbass.
He continued smoking during the session and flaunted the blunt up close while Judge Simpson was handling other cases. Court staff took notice and informed the prosecutor.
Your Honor, given that information, I guess we need to adjourn the PCC so Mr. Lane and I can speak further before we wait.
Yeah. I think that might be wise. Mr. Lane, you understand what's happening now?
Just like that man.
Yeah.
As part of his bond conditions, Lane is also supposed to be taking regular drug tests.
He ain't
When's the
been.
last time
He
you
ain't
tested?
been. He never
2 weeks
went.
ago.
You were supposed to be testing 2 times per week.
He never went.
I tested back to back.
This is a violation right here.
That man.
Okay, but have you tested this week?
No, sir.
I'm also going to order that you're to report to community corrections today for a test.
Your Honor, I have no ride today.
Well, you better find somebody to get you a ride down here. I'm ordering a test. You're the one that brought this on yourself by what you did. So I'm ordering a test today.
Okay,
If you
sir.
don't test today,
I'm telling
I'm
y'all.
going to be issuing a warrant.
I'm telling y'all, he just like his brother.
Have you picked up?
Judge Allen.
But as the judge moves on, Lane lingers on
Was
the
it
call
Donald?
and lets out a laugh.
You keep laughing, Mr. Lane. I don't think you want to do that. Not with me. You better take yourself off before you think things are too funny. Thank you.
I wasn't laughing at you, sir. I wasn't laughing at you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Court calls case, People versus Chandler Langston.
Lane never made it to community
I was
corrections
about to
that
ask,
day,
did y'all think he
nor
went?
did he appear
Hell
at his next
no.
conference. Judge Simpson issued a warrant for his arrest and revoked bond. His case remains open.
That's crazy.
Oh man, that's just like the one right there. Well, he wasn't supposed to be driving. He ain't had no license.
Let's get into it real quick.
It's People versus Corey Harris.
It's another with the same judge too.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Tate for Mr. Harris, who should be present via Zoom.
Mr. Harris, are you driving?
Y'all not understand it, man.
Actually, I'm pulling into my doctor's office, actually. So just give me 1 second. I'm parking right now.
He's parking right now.
Hell no.
Look at the judge.
You stationary?
I'm pulling in right now at this second. Yes, I
All right. What are we doing?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting an adjournment in this matter, up possibly 2 to 4 weeks if the court would allow.
They're laughing at you, bruh.
Okay. So maybe I don't understand something. This
No,
is
you
a
do.
driving while license suspended,
That is correct, Your Honor.
and he was just driving, and he didn't have a license.
Look at his face. Look at his face, man.
That is with the charges, Your Honor, yes.
No, I'm looking at
Yes.
his record. He doesn't have a license. He's suspended and he's just driving.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Hello?
1 minute, Mr. Harris.
Look at this man. Mouth though. He know he just fucked up. This was the most dumbest shit you could have did all day. If you could take anything back you did today, it'd be this.
I don't even know why he would do that. So defendant's
Me
bond
neither,
is
Judge.
revoked in this matter. Defendant is to turn himself into the Washington County Jail by 6 p.m. today. Failure to turn himself in will result in a bench warrant with no bond.
You knew he was gonna cry.
What you mean?
Mr. Harris, I'll be giving you a call.
What do you mean? Oh my god, bro.
I'm pulling in right now.
What do you mean? Oh my god.
Stupid as hell.
Tonight, a shocking twist for the man who went viral for driving during a virtual court hearing for a suspended license.
Corey Harris showed up in person at a Washtenaw County courthouse today, hoping to set the record straight and put this entire saga behind him. Instead, we're reporting on a brand new chapter.
7 News Detroit reporter Kimberly Craig has been keeping up with the twists and turns of this one.
Too old to be
She was in
jail.
court today as it all unfolded.
Well, nothing went the way Corey Harris thought it was going to go in court.
Water. What's my brother?
I need it.
Water. I don't need it.
Today, the judge started off by slamming Corey Harris, saying he's never even had a valid driver's license, and the afternoon ended with Harris going to jail.
The person that needed to be blamed is the person that he was staring at in the mirror. He didn't do what he should have done.
The judge came ready to set the record straight with Corey Harris, who has claimed that he thought the suspension on his driver's license was removed 2 years ago.
That court and its friend of the court
did nothing wrong. His driving privileges were unsuspended in 2022. That required Mr. Harris to do something. He didn't do it.
The judge said Harris never paid his clearance fees with the court.
Why is this shit on the news?
Because he went viral. You know this world corrupted
The
lately.
Secretary of State to lift the suspension, but that's not all.
He has never had a Michigan license. Ever.
We asked Harris yesterday if he ever had a valid driver's license. He claimed he didn't remember. Do you ever recall having one? Having a driver's license?
That's when you know you don't know. Or you don't. You know you don't.
A driver's permit or?
I believe. I don't know. I can't say yes and I can't say no.
And that's odd because the Pittsfield
Because
Township police
motherfucker
officer and
is
prosecutor
no.
said during that October traffic stop,
Ooh.
Corey Harris knew what was up.
At least twice during this traffic
Oh
stop,
my God,
he
bro.
acknowledged to the officer that he did not have a valid license. Quote unquote, quote, actually, I don't have a license. Close quote. The question was, are you a valid driver? Quote, I am not.
There was no error by anybody. It was a failure on the part of Mr. Harris to do certain things. Now, I grant you that sometimes that can be a complicated process, but it was certainly not anybody's fault that that didn't happen other than that wasn't paid.
Then came the unexpected.
He has a warrant for his arrest.
Corey Harris was taken into custody for what appears to be a 9-year-old bench warrant out of Allen Park.
So was I shocked? Absolutely. Did I want my client to walk in, then get escorted to the back? Absolutely not. That was not the plan.
The shocking thing about it,
Slick.
for a driving while license suspended, that he didn't take care of.
It should be something that a lesson for all of us. Handle your business. At the end of the day, handle your business.
In Ann Arbor, Kimberly Craig,
That's
7
it.
News, Detroit.
That's all. That goes for you young folks out there too. Joyriding, stealing cars. You only get so far.
Big facts.
Just stop. Do what you need to do and handle your